Hey, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to make a 3D text in Photoshop from scratch and for absolute beginners, so let's get it started. I have here a blank project and I want to create a 3D text in Photoshop, and in order to do it we need to add some text. Well, to add some text you can either press T as in Thomas, now click on your project and you can write something, or either you will find a tool right here, is the horizontal type tool. Okay, now once you have the text right here, you have to understand that there are many ways to create a 3D text in Photoshop, and I will show you the easiest way for beginners. What you have to do now, select the text from the layers, make sure it's selected, and after that you'll find here a button, press on it, this is the effects menu, and select the bevel and emboss, okay, and this menu will pop up. You have many effects here with which you can play, but we'll focus on the first one, which is bevel and emboss. Now you'll have here the depth of this effect, let's leave it to somewhere around 150 will be okay. Now this is the size of the effect, and you can notice what will happen with the text when I will play with this bar. Let's increase it to somewhere around 9 or maybe 13. You can also soften this effect. You can notice how textured it is when it's in the left side and how soft it is when it's in the right side. Let's leave it somewhere around here. Now at shading you'll find here the angle of this effect. I will not touch this, and down here you can find the opacity of the white color. You can notice what will happen when I will drag it from the left to the right. I will leave it at 50, will be okay, and the opacity of the black as well. And let's leave it something like that. And if we zoom in on our text, we can notice this 3D effect which the text has right now. And if you want to take it a step further and make it even more in depth, I will show you the settings. I have created it right now, and feel free to copy the settings which I have right here with this text. Now keep in mind that these settings will depend on the size of the text. As you can see, my text is right now somewhere around 200. Let's make the size to 100 and press on enter, and you can see now the details are slightly different. So this is how to make a 3D text in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.